Welcome to Miss Suman's SD classes. In our today's video, we will do Reading Comprehension 5. I have already done Reading Comprehension 1 to 4 where we have used variety of sight words and we have also covered some families. If you have not watched those videos, I would highly recommend to go back and check those videos. Let's get started. The sight words we will use in this video is this, T-H-I-S. This is used when something is very close to us. If I have a paper or a pencil very close to me, I will say, this is my pen. This is my book. If it is something far away, the next sight word is that. T-H-A-T. That is my pen. That is my book. The next sight word is there. There is my pen. There is my book. T-H-E-R-E. All these three sight words have T-H. T-H-I-S, this. T-H-A-T, that. T-H-E-R-E, there. Next one is he. He is used for boy. He is my friend. He has a blue hat. He has a red bike. And the next one, just writing a S before he. S-H-E. Sh. S-H. They always join together to make the sound of sh. Sh. S-H-E. She. She is used for a girl. So these are the 5 sight words we will be working in this video. This, that, there, he, and she. Let's look at the family. The family we will be using is oi family. Oi. So far we have worked on at family, am family, an family, app family, ought family. All these families we have already covered. If you have problem in any of these families, please go back and take a look at those videos. This is a very special family, that is oi family. Oi. O-Y. Oi. Let's try and read these sentences. So we have talked about this as a sight word. This. T-H-I-S. Take a pause here and write these spellings few times in your notebook. T-H-I-S. This is my cat. This is my cat. This is my dog. This is my dog. This is my box. This is my box. This is my hat. This is my hat. Very good job, friends. In these 4 short sentences, I have used the same set of sight word, that is, this is my. And then we have changed the family. Okay, I am sure you all have practiced this few times now. Let's go and see the next one. T-H-A-T. That is my fox. Fox. That is my fox. That is my mop. Mop. That is my mop. That is my box. That is my box. That is my mat. Mat. That is my mat. Very good job. Look at that. You are now reading confidently. Lovely. I just love it. Let's see the next sight word. THERE. Sight word number 3. There. 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 There is my wet. Wet. Hat. Hat. This is the middle sound of E. I have also shared a video with the middle sound of E. If you have any problem, please go and take a look at the middle sound of E video, the blending sound of E. There is my wet hat. There is my mad rat. Rat. There is my mad rat. There is my fat cop. There is my fat cop. There is my sad cat. Good job. This slide was for the sight word there. Sight word number 3, there. Good job. Let's see the next one. Oh, this is an easy one. We all know sight word number 4 is HE. He is Tom. He is a boy or boy. Boy. This is the special one here. The Oi family. Oi family. So for Oi family, this is Oi. You just have to add the beginning sound. Oi. Joy. He is a boy. He has a fat cat. He has a middle sound of E again. Wet hat. Very good job. Since we have talked about boys, it's time for our girls. She, S-H-E, she is Pam. She is I have written this word in a different color because it's a little bigger word. You can take the help of your mom and dad. She is a girl. She has a fat dog. She has a wet cap. Very good job. So we have talked about 5 sight words here. This, that, there, he, she. I hope you liked my video. If you did like my video, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.